In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date in Confluence. Adding dates to your Confluence pages is a simple but really useful way to keep your documentation organized and easy to understand. Whether you're tracking meeting notes, project timelines, or updates to a page, having a clear date stamp helps everyone know exactly when something was created or last changed. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process, and you can follow along in your own Confluence space. First, open your browser and go to your Confluence site. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to view and edit pages in the space you're working in. If you use Confluence as part of a company or team, you'll usually access it through your organization's Confluence URL or through your Atlassian home. Once you're in, you'll see your usual dashboard or whatever page you last visited. Next, choose the page where you want to add a date. This could be an existing page, like a meeting notes template, a requirements document, or a project status update. Navigate through your spaces and page tree on the left-hand side, then click on the page title to open it. If you haven't created a page yet, you can create a new one first, but for this video, we'll assume the page already exists. Now that your page is open, switch into edit mode. Click the edit button at the top of the page so you can modify the content. Place your text cursor exactly where you want the date to appear. For example, you might put it right under the page title, next to a heading like last updated, or at the top of a notes section. To insert the date, type a /, then the word date with no spaces. So it looks like this, /date. As you start typing, Confluence will open a quick command menu, sometimes called the / menu, showing you different macros and options that match what you typed. From that menu, click on the date option. Once you select it, Confluence will automatically insert a formatted date right where your cursor was. You can usually click on the inserted date to change it to a different day if you're documenting something in the past or planning for the future. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to publish or update the page so your changes are saved and visible to everyone who has access. That's all you need to do to add a date in Confluence.